Hi, now let me tell you about our course Mastering Python and Designing Algorithm. This career development course is especially designed to teach your kids the world's most popular and comprehensive programming language, Python. With this course, your child not only enters into the world of Python programming, but also develops a firm understanding of designing algorithms. Python is a modern world programming language and it is very popular among the tech giants like Google and Facebook. Did you know that most of the machine learning and artificial intelligence algorithms are written in Python? In every lecture of this course, we first teach the concept and the algorithm to your child, and then we move to the code and programming constructs. After that, we use animations to dry run the program. And finally, to make the concept crystal clear to your child, we run the code on our code editor so that your child has no doubts. With every lecture, your child learns how to break down a problem into small parts and then reach the final solution. This in turn inculcates algorithmic thinking in your child and they start developing efficient algorithms. After every lecture, we provide your child with challenging exercise questions. These questions keep them engaged and also promote them to think hard so that they can develop an algorithmic solution to this problem. This inculcates problem-solving aptitude in them. At the end of each lecture, there is a quiz which tests your child's understanding and also keeps the curious parents updated about their child's performance. As a part of this course, we provide a quick doubt resolution portal for 1 year. Your child has access to this portal for complete 1 year. During this period, if they have any doubt or any problem in understanding any programming concept, they can reach out to us. On successful completion of this course, we present your child with Juniortechie certified Python algorithmist certificate. We are so confident about the quality of our course that we also provide cancellation option. So, what are you waiting for? Lay the foundation of your child's successful career by joining Juniortechie today.